Today, you'll learn the basics of Figma with this tutorial where we're going to make faces using typography. I've included a link to the source file for this tutorial in the description. Start by copying the shapes to create the various expressions. You can press V to choose the select tool. Then you're going to hold Alt or Option and drag the shape that you want to make a copy of it. Now drag near the corner to rotate the shape. Hold the Shift key and drag the corner of the letter to change the size without stretching it. Hold Shift and press V to flip it vertically, and hold Shift and press H to flip it horizontally. Create a new face for each expression. You can look up the examples for inspiration.